Hello and welcome, future tech explorers. Are you curious about Linux? Do you hear about artificial intelligence or AI? This guide is for you. We will learn about Linux and AI together. You do not need any experience. Anyone can learn these amazing tools. It will be a fun journey for us. You can start today, right now. It is easier than you think. Linux is an operating system for computers. Think of it like the engine in a car. It makes the computer work. You might know Windows or macOS. Linux is another choice, a great one. It is very special because it is free. Many people around the world help build it. This means it is open and strong. Linux gives you a lot of control. It is used by many big companies too. Now let's talk about AI. AI means artificial intelligence. It is like having a very smart helper. This helper lives inside your computer. AI can understand what you say. It can help you solve problems. It can also learn new things. When we use AI with Linux, it is super helpful. AI can make using Linux much easier. It is like a guide, always by your side. This guide is made for beginners. You do not need to be a computer expert. We will go step by step. Learning Linux with AI can be exciting. It can make you feel smart. You will be able to do new things. Imagine telling your computer what to do, and AI helps you do it perfectly. Let's start this adventure together. You are ready to learn and grow. Let's talk about the Linux terminal. The terminal might look a bit new, but do not worry, it is your friend. It is a special window on your screen. Here you can type commands. Commands are like instructions for Linux. The computer reads your commands. Then it does what you asked it to do. Using the terminal is a direct way to talk. It is a very powerful part of Linux. One very useful command is. The command is short and simple. It means list files and folders. When you type and press enter, it shows things. It shows all the files in your current place. It also shows any folders there. It is like opening a drawer to see inside. This command helps you look around. You can see what is stored where. Practice to get comfortable. Another good command to know is, the command means change directory. A directory is just another name for a folder. So helps you move between folders. Imagine you are in your house. You can go from the living room to the kitchen. The command lets you do this on your computer. You type and then the folder name. This helps you go where you need to. It is key for moving around in Linux. Sometimes you might wonder where you are. The command helps with this. Means print working directory. It tells you the exact folder you are in. This is very helpful if you feel lost. The terminal will show you your current path. A path is like an address for your folder, so it's like asking where am I now? Linux will tell you your exact spot. These commands are your first tools. Linux is great because you can add many tools. These tools are called software or programs. Installing software in Linux is often easy. Linux has things called package managers. Think of a package manager like an app store, but it is usually used in the terminal. You type a command to find software. You type another command to install it. This makes getting new tools very simple. You can find software for almost anything. Now let's bring in our smart AI helpers. Tools like ChatGPT or ShellGPT are amazing. They are a new kind of AI. You can chat with them using plain English. You can ask them questions about Linux. For example, how do I copy a file? The AI can give you the exact command. It can explain what the command does. This is super helpful when you are learning. AI makes tricky things much simpler. Let's see a real example of AI helping. Imagine you want to find a big file. You know it is taking up too much space, but you do not know the Linux command. You can ask your AI helper. Type, how to find files larger than 100 MB in Linux. The AI will understand your question. It will give you the command you need. It might even explain different options. This saves you a lot of time searching. AI can also help when things go wrong. Sometimes you type a command, and you see an error. Error messages can be scary for beginners. They often look like confusing code. But you do not need to worry. You can copy that error message. Then, you paste it to your AI tool. Ask the AI, what does this error mean? The AI can explain it in simple words. It can also suggest how to fix the problem. One of the best things about Linux is choice. You can change many things about it. This is called customization. You can make Linux look just how you like. You can change the desktop background. You can choose different icons for files. You can even change the style of windows. This makes your computer feel truly yours. It is like decorating your own room. Linux lets you be the designer. Here are some tips to work faster. You can create short names for long commands. These short names are called aliases. For example, could run a long update command. This saves you a lot of typing. Also, try to learn some keyboard shortcuts. These are key combinations that do things quickly, like Ctrl+C to copy text. Explore different looks for Linux too. Some are simple, some are fancy. Find what you like. Your AI friend can help with customizing too. Maybe you want a new wallpaper, but you are not sure how to change it. You can ask your AI, how do I set a new wallpaper in Ubuntu? The AI will give you easy steps. Or perhaps you want your terminal to look cool. Ask, suggest ways to customize my Linux terminal. AI can give you ideas and instructions. It makes making Linux your own very easy. You can experiment and have fun. You are now on a great path. Learning Linux with AI opens many doors. You do not need to be perfect right away. The most important thing is to try. Practice using the terminal a little each day. Ask your AI helper when you have questions. Soon you will feel much more confident. You will become a smarter Linux user. You will work faster and do more. Enjoy your journey into the world of Linux and AI.